CM-1 and CM-4 coefficient of friction tester test the static and kinetic coefficient of friction to evaluate the smoothness and evenness of plastic film, paper, and other materials used in the industries of packaging, plastic film, inspection agency, and so on. It has excellent stability and repeatability, high precision, easy to use. CM-1 has professional software, can real-time display 450 records of static and kinetic coefficient of friction data and curves during the test process, can create and print report and curves by computer. CM-4 has control software, can print report and curves by computer. Test range is 0.001 to 0.999. It uses imported high-quality core parts with high precision, high performance, and long life, can extend temperature control function. GBPI, the overall program of packaging tester technology,